Today's topic is to shrink the list for the repeating elements in it. So we are going to use an itertools.groupby method from it. First, we are going to import the libraries, which is from itertools, import the group by, and then we are going to initialize our list. After that, we are going to create a function which is def shrink, and we are going to return this link comprehension over here. So what it stands for, right? Let me show you that it's going to return our number, and it's going to count that how many times it has been done. For loop has been done, and after that it's going to give an output of the I and the number over here and the group by over here. So let me give you a brief introduction about what the group by does. Is the group by is nothing but it's gonna make a list to return the number of consequences keys and the group from the list over here, and after that it's going to group all those similar elements together, and it's going to return the elements and count them how many times it has been repeated, and it's going to return the value as a list of a tuple rather than a list. So as you can see, in the for loop, after executing the for loop, it's going to return the number and the length of an I, which is going to count that how many times this element has been repeated, and after that we are printing this up. As you can see it over here, 1 is 1 time repeated, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times, and 4 is 2 times. Now there are some sort of a mistakes over here, like if the list is not sorted, that means, let me show you, if it's something like this. Okay, so what it's gonna does is it's gonna not add the 3 in the past above, which is over here, so it's not going to show that there are 4 elements of the 3 in our list. Rather than it's going to show the different elements. So it's really better to sort out the list from the start of it, and after that you have to shrink it.